life cycle of a ship. Indeed, this is a too big topic. Mr. Yan let me to speak this topic. It's too big anyway. In Chinese word, 赶鸭子上架. I try my best. Here is some information about myself. I graduated from Wuhan Marine University in 1992. Do not guess my age. I work on board 1 year only. Some of friends call me cheat engineer and chief engineer, not chief engineer. The real chief engineer, how many chief engineers here? Or no more? Oh, 1, 2? Oh, not easy. So I will try to. I work in Hong Kong 21 years before I come to Singapore. I come to Singapore for this new company in 2016. Before we start discuss this topic, I think we bear in mind this new technology during this whole speaking. And e-commerce, internet things, robot, big data, operation our professional Huang already talked very clear and for the big data. And the blockchain, and also 3D printing. Shipping business, indeed, this is a traditional one. And this as a major role transportation for the economic. Before you come to shipping business, you have to think very clearly. This is really big wave business. A lot of people die inside the sea. Some people are well now. So, like we say recently, the first half year, I'm quite familiar with VLCC. The VLCC first half year charter rate around 10,000, below 10,000 US dollar. Average cost for VLCC around 20,000 US dollar. That means per day you lost almost 10,000 US dollar. So you have to choose which area, which kind of ship you want to come and join to. Because there are so many kind of ships. Government ship, offshore business still slowly recover, but very tough now because oil price still struggle over there. And ocean going, I know we have container owner here, VLCC owner, Alpha Max owner. I don't know which area, which business is very good now. Somebody can tell me. So when you consider come to this shipping business, you have to be an owner. How to combine your finance partner, your bank, everything, your friend together to be an owner. Then you choose which area you want to join as a ship business. You have to consider a existing market and demanding, supplying, and chartering rate, the future trend. All these areas you should consider aspect. Also, you can consider whether you want to buy a new ship or second-hand ship. For the new building, it takes time, long time. I will show you later. For the new second-hand ship, you can get in the market. So what you should consider is the price difference. You can calculate your investment return. But if you want to be longer in this area, you can choose this new building. Because new building, new type, new technology, and energy saving. I will give some idea about how the energy saving different. So here is the new building market and the second-hand market. We take a VLCC as a sample. we say now this is all the price up to date. Last week, the left side price from China shipbuilding. The right hand, second hand, also up to date last week. So we take this VLCC 15 month delivery. The marketing price $86 million US. Okay, you see the right side, C latitude. This is also a VLCC. This built 2001. The marketing price is $22.5 million. The price also almost totally different. But you can see the fuel consumption. This old model VLCC, if sailing full laden condition, per day fuel consumption around 100 tons. This new type one, around 80 tons. So almost 20 tons per day difference. Now the price, all price almost 460 something, 500. So the per day run, operation cost almost 10,000 difference. So when you consider this second-hand new building, you have to consider this difference. Once you become an owner, I told you, your headache, you will be headache. You will be sleepless. You will lose your hair, like me. Because you see so many parties involved. IMO, flag, class, Mr. Jiang will be like later. A lot of regulation. And they change the regulation from time to time. Okay, water blast system and the low sulfur gas, oil, a lot. Push you out this area. And once you have to choose a design and research company, like our Shanghai Starry, builder and shipyard, engineer, equipment supply. Once you are ready, you have ship, you have to go meet Song, P&I, and another gentleman, legal. So also we have broker here, and the charterer. Also, you need manage your ship. Either you manage yourself, either you subcontract to third party. All these things involve different country, different people. So the shipping business is a real global business. You have crew from UK, Korea, Chinese, Filipino mix. You may ship a cargo from here to here, here to here. A lot of party involved. So legal issue, everything really cause you headache. Okay. Why I lost so much hair? Because I work in this company 26 years already. This company is China Merchant Group. I see this second logo now. And the China Merchant started his first shipping in 1873. This modern vessel in China, built in London. And we have 44 VLCC plus 9 new building. We have 20 VLOC plus 11 new building. We are the first LNG owner. We have 7 plus 14 new building. We have container, we have cattle ship, we have offshore wind turbine service unit, we have ro-ro ship. So how many ships we have? We have total 330 vessels, dead weight 46 million. We are the number 2 ship owner in worldwide, and the bigger one, Coastal Shipping. But we are the number 1 VLCC and VLOC owner. So you see, we have 44 VLCC per day lost 10,000. How much we lost per day? Don't get it like that, huh? Okay, your headache just start up. So here is a cost analysis for your manageable shape. And this once you set up, this change from time to time. But somebody just focus the right side. You see that this maintenance cost occupy left side how much? So when you consider new building, you see 86 million VLCC. Now it's the market. The higher one, 150 something million US dollar. So you choose what time to enter this shipping business, quite important for you. Then, otherwise you struggle with this propeller. Okay. So when we do the daily management shape, this is something we have to consider. Crewing. This is most headache because nobody want to sail on the sea. Why only 2 chief engineers here? Because they normally they have to sail on the sea for 8 months, 13 months. That's why this business is not easy. So how we do, you can consider robot. But male or female type, different function on the board. You can think as you can. And the second one is powering. Now traditional fuel oil and MDO. Some consider biofuel, LPG, LNG. LNG is the future trend. Now, some owner now make LNG ready. Also, wind power, sail. We have a new building VLCC in Dalian. Now, on the trial now, we'll deliver it to us end of this month. We use this sail technology as a system power. Also solar energy. Later, Mr. Jiang will give you IMO 2020. Navigating, Professional Huang already gave so good presentation for how we consider big data in this shipping business. Last year, and I promote to my internal group how we consider this big data, how we share the price inside. Also, internet thing. Because, okay, what we do, we gather all the information, all the data from navigation bridge, like GPS, radar, and all this speed, everything. We compare with current weather speed. We adjust the shipping speed to calculate from A port to B port what's the best navigation routine, what's the best sailing speed in different sections. So this also involved with the internet thing. Also, when we supply bunkering on board, okay, we calculate bunkering amount, consumption amount, everything together, combine this shipping data. This also our China Merchant Group involved this new they call AI or new intelligent ship with Shanghai, Dalian all together. Repair ship, normally 5 years, you have to do twice. Special survey, docking survey. Also, they have annual survey. So, you have to comply all the port facility, port requirement, MPA requirement, flag requirement, sometimes class requirement. You have to involve a lot of money inside. Also supplying. Spare part is the most important thing. There are thousands of equipment on board. Each spare part, one spare part can cause your ship stop. So some owner have to prepare all the kind of spare part on board for nothing to use. Even the ship scrap, some key components still over there. So that's why some people consider 3D printing. The right side is this one, propeller, by this Rotterdam or Remland. They already print out this propeller and the BV class. Also in Singapore, True Marine already carry out the repair for turbine charger, use 3D printing some spare part. Rotterdam, they intend to become a center for 3D printing. This year, this one, if you have time, you can go here. I checked the information. They have more manufacturer. They want to involve this 3D printing. Also, the new technology like Luboy, silicon painting the whole conditions. They use this silicon technology to reduce the friction, fuel saving around 5 to 7%. Also, this underwater cleaning, because sometimes the ship idling in the port, this barnacle and the fouling attached to the whole outside, then the ship speed will reduce. We will carry out underwater cleaning. So now we use this diver to carry machine to cleaning. So in the future, can consider robot. I already discussed with my business development general manager, Mr. Feng, that's one chief engineer. He said this is not so completely. So I said we can consider use robot to do the first cleaning. Then the second we use man hand. A blockchain, Mr. Huang already talked so much. So for the shipping business, e-commerce not well developed. Because, shipping business, we see store, they have a code. This code is not public known outside of marine business. Sometimes we say, this bottle of water, in the shipping business, they will assign a code for this one. So if you want to do the ship e-commerce, you have to know this business. Still get a chance for you all to come to this area. Our China merchants, Singapore, that's a future e-commerce. We are planning for this. What our Singapore office we do? First is we are ship agency, repair and service. I have 3 chief engineers in the office. And the store spare parts supply, and integrated logistics, and the maritime product trading. Also, we have another company. We do the bunker, lubricant, and oil trading, LPG, LNG trading, petrochemical trading, chartering worldwide. So, from a ship born and run a messenger ship, now come to the side part. Indeed, there is no any special rules and regulation to to require to set limitation for a ship, how long it can be served. As long as you think its commercial value and ship condition, maintenance cost, everything okay, you can let your baby continue growing up, no matter how old it is. But somebody here will push you out, Mr. Jiang, CCS. Because class, they, on behalf of the flag IMO, they have to keep the ship safety. Your corrosion everywhere, leak oil everywhere, how can protect the environment? So then, okay, if you want to change your ship purpose, consider this way. This is our Circle Sea World hotel. This one is a casino. This one sightseeing. This one floating tanker. This is commercial value good, but most ships come to this scrap. How do you consider whether it's come to the scrap? You just check second-hand market, how much your ship and the scrap value compare together. When the ratio come to almost 1, then you scrap. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.